Oh no, the check engine light comes on, or even worse, you break down. Now you must run around to mechanics and get outrageous quotes. And if it's a transmission or engine, it could cost you thousands.
We are Protect My Car. Call us now. We can help you cover your car before it breaks down. Then, if something goes wrong, you call us. Our amazing support team works with your favorite repair shop. Then we take care of the covered repairs, and you take care of your family.
I'm Ron Roberts, and this is our work family. And we're proud of them for earning us a 4 out of 5 star average rating with these companies and amazing feedback online from many of our 200,000 customers.
It's hard to find a company like Protect My Car. If you call somebody on the phone, you're gonna get treated the same way you would talk to your mom, your grandmother, your sister, your brother.
Call Protect My Car now, and one of our fantastic reps will find you an affordable plan and get you covered. Remember, a blown air conditioner could cost you over $500. Replacing a water pump could cost over $1,000. And a new transmission could break the bank.
Customers love that they get that one-on-one personality, that if they have a problem, we're gonna be right there just trying to help them out no matter what.
Now is the time to protect yourself from potentially disastrous repair bills. Call Protect My Car now for your free instant protection plan quote. We also have plans that pay for your towing and rental car, hotels, and meals. If this is your first time calling Protect My Car, you'll get a year of free oil changes as a sign-up bonus. That's $100 value, yours free. But you must call now.